Let's do some 3D. We're going to add a 3D model here. So you can either add a part, an assembly, or an entire folder if that's easier. In this case, we're just going to use an example. We're going to upload the entire folder so all the parts are associated with it. Now, one thing to note when using Envision is you're uploading the properties of a 3D file, but what Envision is doing is making a copy of it. So internal dimensions, intrinsic characteristics to how you created it with feature sets, maybe you added some fillets, some revolves, none of that's going to be captured. But what we will capture is model information, so the metadata associated with that. Let's say you set a material property or a part name, part number, we can capture all of that, and that will be brought into Envision along with the copy of the CAD file. So here we are, we have a rear suspension, and when you click on that, you'll notice the 3D model ribbon pop up. There's a lot to do here, so we can create annotations, we can go inside and create tables that are just going to draw directly from the information that's within the CAD file. So say you wanted bill of materials, great use case there. We can change the quality. With larger CAD size files over a gigabyte, I'd recommend using low. Anything under a gigabyte is fine to use high.